To reach to new height, we have forgot the gift of Almighty. The environment is in us, not outside of us. The rivers are our bloodstream, and trees are our lungs. Just need one initiative as we have to conserve it. With this note, warmly welcome you all in new phase of learning World Environment Day 2021 on 5th June. But 7 billion dreams are running after it. We need a new enthusiasm and zeal because the planet is our earth and dynamic one, being a first home to us. World Environment Day 2021 Ecosystem Restoration will be initiative on 5th of June this year. कहे संभाल लो मुझे तुम इस बार, तुम्हारे खड़ी हूँ मैं द्वार, लिए बहुत सारे सपने जो करने मुझे साकार, पर खुद ही विवश खड़ी हूँ लिए तुम्हारी दरकार. World Environment Day, celebrated on 5th June as a principal vehicle for encouraging awareness campaign for protection of environment since 1974 on the grounds of pollution, overpopulation and global warming.
विश्व पर्यावरण दिवस है. वैसे तो पर्यावरण का महत्व हमारी जिंदगी में हर पल है, लेकिन जिस तरह से इंसानों ने इस चुनौती से मुंह मोड़ लिया है, ऐसे में ये दिन भविष्य के संकटों की ओर जागरूक करने के लिए बेहद अहम है.
ये महज तूफान की गूंज नहीं है, ये महज पानी की बूंद को तरसती जमीन की तस्वीर नहीं है, ये सिर्फ पानी का सैलाब नहीं है, ये आहट है उस खतरे की जिसे हम जानते हुए भी अनजान बन रहे हैं. प्राकृतिक आपदाओं की इन तस्वीरों को बड़े कैनवस पर देखें तो भविष्य भयावह नजर आता है. भविष्य की इन्हीं भयावह तस्वीरों को खूबसूरत बनाने के लिए विश्व की सबसे बड़ी संस्था यूनाइटेड नेशंस ने हर साल की तरह इस बार भी पहल की है. इस साल 5 जून को विश्व पर्यावरण दिवस की थीम पारिस्थितिकी तंत्र की बहाली है. संयुक्त राष्ट्र ने अपनी रिपोर्ट में बताया है कि मानव जाति पर फिलहाल 3 बड़े खतरे मंडरा रहे हैं: जलवायु परिवर्तन, प्रकृति क्षरण और प्रदूषण. और इन तीनों चुनौतियों को पारिस्थितिकी तंत्र की बहाली से पाटा जा सकता है, लेकिन उसके लिए रिपोर्ट से निकलकर जमीन पर उतरना होगा. यूएन की एक रिपोर्ट में बताया गया है कि 2030 तक कम से कम 1 अरब हेक्टेयर की क्षरित जमीन को बहाल करने की जरूरत है. वैश्विक औसत तापमान को 2 डिग्री सेल्सियस कम करने का लक्ष्य रखा गया है. कार्बन उत्सर्जन पर निर्भर सेक्टरों से सब्सिडी को हटाना होगा. पर्यावरण दिवस नजदीक है और अलग अलग रिपोर्ट का सिलसिला जारी है, लेकिन क्या पर्यावरण का विषय सिलेबस से बाहर निकलकर जमीन पर उतरेगा या बैठकों में चिंता और चर्चाओं का दौर जारी रहेगा?
एबीपी न्यूज आपको रखे आगे.
Where 143 countries marks their active participation in order to celebrate the World Environment Day. This year the theme is reimagine, recreate and restore, because this is the moment that will never come back. The worst thing in this universe is that this is our planet Earth and we've never been responsible towards it. Just says somebody else will save it. So this time we have to mark the initiative of ecosystem restoration from our side on World Environment Day.
Rapidly reaching the point of no return for the planet. We face a triple environmental emergency: biodiversity loss, climate disruption, and escalating pollution. For too long, humanity has cut down the Earth's forests, polluted its rivers and oceans, and ploughed its grasslands into oblivion. We are ravaging the very ecosystems that underpin our societies, and in doing so, we risk depriving ourselves of the food, water, and resources we need to survive. The degradation of the natural world is already undermining the well-being of 3.2 billion people, or 40% of humanity. Luckily, the Earth is resilient, but she needs our help. We still have time to reverse the damage we have done. That is why, on this World Environment Day, we are launching the United Nations Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. This global movement will bring together governments, businesses, and civil society and private citizens in an unprecedented effort to heal the Earth. By restoring ecosystems, we can drive a transformation that will contribute to the achievement of all the Sustainable Development Goals. The task is monumental. We need to replant and protect our forests. We need to clean up our rivers and seas. And we need to green our cities. Accomplishing these things will not only safeguard the planet's resources, it will create millions of new jobs by 2030, generate returns of over $7 trillion every year, and help eliminate poverty and hunger. The United Nations Decade on Ecosystem Restoration is a global call to action. It will draw together political support, scientific research, and financial muscle to massively scale up restoration. And everyone can contribute. Science tells us these next 10 years are our final chance to avert a climate catastrophe, turn back the deadly tide of pollution, and end species loss. Today, let's start a new decade, one in which we finally make peace with nature and secure a better future for all.
Every year, 143 countries participate annually, and it gets hosted in different parts of the world. World Environment Day. The country will host this year will be Pakistan, which will going to have the collaboration with UNO Environment Program. 2021 marks Reimagine, Recreate, Restore for the next generation. Sustainable development, and this time it's World Environment Day, UNO initiative which will be witnessed with the collaboration in Pakistan for the 2021. One system which is marked as ecosystem, which is getting modified. Pandemic COVID-19 revealed that we need an initiative with a zeal to protect the earth for having a heal. This marks the beginning of new development. 7 billion dreams running after same resources and deteriorating the quality of environment in the blind race of development. The actual scenario is this. This time UNO recognized it with environment program for Reimagine, Recreate and Restore this ecosystem. So let's put our initiative. With this note, we are concluding it for today. See you again soon.